Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. So let's get started. So in order to deactivate it, simply open up your setting on your iPhone and then scroll down and you should see a section that's Apple Intelligence and Siri. You're going to tap on that, and right up here, in order to deactivate it, you simply click on that toggle which will turn off or deactivate Apple Intelligence or the AI on your iPhone. And just like that, the AI is turned off and you don't have to worry about it. Now, Apple Intelligence only is available on a few devices currently, the iPhone 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max and any of the new iPhone 16 lineup on iOS 18.1. So if you didn't see that update yet on 18.1, which was just released, you have to update it to even get Apple Intelligence, as you can see here. Now, in the case that you're in your settings and you might say, all right, I don't see Apple Intelligence, it says Siri, that means your phone doesn't even have Apple Intelligence. There's nothing to turn off and you don't have to worry about it. And usually when you turn on Siri and it looks like that, that means Apple Intelligence isn't on your phone. It's already deactivated. Now, if you see, we'll show you in a scenario here. Let's go ahead and out of this. If I go ahead and turn on Apple Intelligence, I press on it, this animation indicates Apple Siri is activated and turned on. So if I turn that off and then go back and then turn it on here, just tap on one more time and I tap on it, and this time if I do it, as you can see here, it's deactivated just like that. So that's how you deactivate Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.